Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme GT60 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. You can see. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off your Realme GT60 smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And when the Realme logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume down button. So you can see now here select language, volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. So now here select language, and you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device, and power off is available. So here select format data. So here you can see in format data, please enter verification code 0387. Enter it 0387. So you can see a pop-up format data. All user data will be reset. Now tap on format. And you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set, when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Realme GT60 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.